mood in the picture is positive. Action of my story is discussing about the land to be bought with his friend. Girish, a 28-year-old, was working in a SBI bank, at State Bank of India, in a loan department in rural area of Anand, Gujarat. One day he met his friend Mahesh in the bank who wanted to take the loan for the agricultural land as he was a farmer. Hence, Girish helped him in the paperwork, explained him the process of loan and interest to be paid, went to see the land and verified the details by going to the land he wanted to buy in the village. Later, both were happy as he was able to get help from his friend and he was able to get good production of wheat and rice on the land he bought. Thank you.
ओके वैष्णवी, एंड दिस यू हैव बीन आउटसाइड द पिक्चर. तुम बैंक वैंक कुछ नहीं दिखाया, वहाँ आप चली जा रही हो. ठीक है, आपको बैकग्राउंड में आप बोल सकते हो ही वॉज अ बैंक ऑफिसर, एंड वंस ही रियलाइज दैट हिज फ्रेंड इज इन द एग्रीकल्चर, ही वेंट टू प्रमोट द बैंक पॉलिसीज of loans and all to the village friend, and there he convinced his son also and convinced his father also, and both agreed all the schemes of government schemes in which subsidies are given. And once he was taken, he was also benefited by his bank employees, and the villager was also very happy that he could buy a tractor. So then you are in the picture. Okay Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
आप लोग समझे कि नहीं समझे?
Yes, sir.
तो प्लीज़ आप लोग आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर मत जाओ. स्टेज वन में चल जाएगा, बिकॉज स्टेज वन में इंडिविजुअल नरेशंस पे आपका देखेंगे हम कॉन्फिडेंस, हाउ शी स्पीक्स, हाउ शी गिव्स आउट, उसका बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या है. बट साइक टेस्ट में आपको वो जेबीए पे छोड़ देगा. इतने दिन से सिखा रहे हैं बी इनसाइड द पिक्चर, बी इनसाइड, सिर्फ 2 लाइन में आउटसाइड का रहना है. कोशिश तो करो उसको लाने की अंदर. कल तुम्हारा साइक टेस्ट है यार. ओके या
From the given picture, Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 3 characters. All are males and the age is ranging between 35 to 55 years. The action of my story is sowing season. Ram, a 35-year-old man, is a graduate from Delhi University and is an IS officer of 2015 batch. During his holidays, he visited his farm and instructed the caretaker of his farm about which seeds has to be grown next. He also made him aware of the new technologies and the methods which could significantly boost the productivity. He also made the caretaker aware of the excessive use of the insecticides and the pesticides, and ultimately a good amount of crop grew in his farm. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. So I have perceived 3 characters from the story, all male. Age bracket is between 30 to 50 years. Overall mood of story is positive. Action of my story is discussion of farmer's problem. Sudesh, 30-year-old, is an IS officer. One day he started to conduct a village survey in which he met a farmer, and the farmer discussed about all his grievances and problems he was facing in farming. After that, he went to his office, discussed the problems with his senior officials and worked on it. And later, the problems were solved. Thank you.
Jen and everyone, from the picture I have perceived 4 characters, all male, age ranging between 25 to 42 years. Overall, the mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is spreading awareness about the new technologies in agriculture. Ram is a 28-year-old man who has went for the BTech in agricultural engineering to a city. He came back to his village after 10 years. He saw people doing farming with the older technology, so he told the villagers about the new technologies such as tractors and other machines and all the benefits that have been given to the farmers by the government. So after listening to Ram, the people were helped and they can do the farming more productively and easily. Thank you.
Good.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 3 characters. All are male and the age range is between 26 to 47. The action of my story is making aware the farmers about the new agricultural methods. Ram, 25 years old, who lives in a small town named Bega in Kanpur, was recently graduated from Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. As his last semester exams are now over, so he decided to visit his hometown back. There, he accompanied his father and uncle in the village. There he saw that his father and uncle are using primitive farming methods. He made them aware about the new farming methods and the various schemes that government are using to help the farmers. He discussed with his father and uncle about the methods like mixed cropping, crop rotation, and various other methods. Later, he felt elated that he applied his education in the real life problems.
Good. And everyone, from the picture I have perceived that there are three males. The age bracket of the males are between 25 years old to 35 years old, and the mood of the overall individuals in the picture is positive. However, the action I have perceived is the spreading of awareness about the modern agricultural practice. Ram is a 25-year-old individual who has done research in modern day agricultural practices and currently works in the company which manufactures agricultural equipments. So, by his company, Ram was sent to rural areas to spread awareness about the modern day equipments and agricultural practices. So, there he sees a farmer working on a piece of land and doing a thrashing purpose before sowing the other crops. So he asks about the land from the farmer. So he meets the landlord named Ravi. He explains Ravi about the modern day agricultural equipments like drones for sowing seeds and watering the crops, and the thrasher which eases the job. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived three male characters aged between 22 to 60. A boy named Ram, 22-year-old, is helping his parents in their farming land. Ram is also studying and also helping his parents. Ram decided to help his father in the morning from 6 am to 10 am while he had spare time at his home, so as to utilize his time in better manner. His father, who is now 60 years old, is also happy that his son is studying in the college and also taking interest in the family helping. So everyone was happy with his deed of Ram, and this was.
ओके नाउ आप इसको अपने बिना देखे भी बोलने की कोशिश करो, बोलो इनको देख कर देखो सुंदर सुंदर बच्चों को.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived three male characters from age 22 to 60. In this picture I have perceived that Ram, a 22-year male boy who is studying in the college and also helping his father in the agriculture land. So he was having spare time from 6 am to 10 am at his home. He went to the agriculture land and helped his father in a manner that his father is now old so much, so he cannot work hardly. He is helping his parents.
ओके कितना अच्छा बोले आप. थोड़ा हाथ मत हिलाओ, पैर मत हिलाओ, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस कम करो, डीप ब्रीदिंग किया करो. बिल्कुल मत सोचो, सब सोचो गधे हैं, तुम सबसे होशियार हो. बिहारी बाबू तो सबसे पहले अपने आप को होशियार समझता है. कन्हैया देखो कैसे समझता है अपने आप को होशियार, है ना. तो तुम भी सोचो. चलो.
Jai Hind everyone. In this given picture, I have perceived there are three male characters. Age is between 26 to 49, and overall mood is positive. The action of my story is survey conducted on the agriculture field in the village. Ram, 26-year boy, work in an agriculture department, who has assigned the task to conduct a survey in the village. He collected the total population, where he divided the population who working in the agriculture department, and inspect about the annual production, and giving information about the subsidies, and given about subsidies which is given by the government, and at last make the final report and submit it to the department.
गुड. ऐसे ऐसे इम्प्रूव कर जाओगे. और कभी का स्टक होते हो ना, तो जीटीओ बोलता है ना आपको, यू कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी एंड वर्ड बैक टू इंग्लिश. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग बेटा, नथिंग रॉन्ग, बट अटकना इज रॉन्ग. अटकना इज रॉन्ग. अगर आपको एक आध वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है, हिंदी बोलो, फटाफट वापस इंग्लिश में चले जाओ. या नेक्स्ट.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters. All are male. The age bracket is between 24 to 57. Ram is a agriculture worker in Rampur village. He was informed about the decrease in the productivity of the crops in the village. He went for the survey after identifying the problem, that was the excess use of water and also being he identified that the methods that were used for agriculture were outdated. He introduced new irrigation method and also which included drip irrigation, and also introduced new methods of plowing the fields, which were tractors. Also introduced the farmers with the subsidies that are provided by the government, help them to get those subsidies. This process helped the farmers to increase their productivity and also help them to get more financial aid from the government and help ease their tension on daily farms, and were able to ultimately increase the productivity. Thank you.
Okay. So now this throw of voice will be helpful for stage 1. बिकॉज आप लोग का हॉल होता है और बड़े दूर बैठते हो, तो थोड़ा सा आप जोर से बोलने की कोशिश करो, बट दैट जोर से बोलना है शुड नॉट बी स्ट्रेस, इट शुड बी नेचुरल. तो आप लोग जैसे इंटरव्यू में भी ये फ़ायदा होगा उसको, बिकॉज इंटरव्यू में भी 10 फुट दूर बैठते हो आप. अगर जैसे प्रियल स्लो बोल रही थी, सॉफ्ट बोल रही थी, वो दिक्कत आएगी, वो बहरों को सुनना है. और आर्टिलरी का ऑफिसर होगा जैसा मेरा जैसा बंदा, तो और दिक्कत है. जिससे जो भी तोप खाने का बंदा होगा, जिसके टैंक्स हैं, ये हैं, उनके आधे कान के पर्दे 20% कम हो जाते हैं. तो आप लोगों को थ्रो अपनी वॉइस की होनी बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived 3 characters from the picture. All are male. The age ranging between 35 to 50 years of age. The mood is positive. The action of my story is knowledge increases from sharing. Ram, 35-year-old, is a government teacher in village Mankapur. One day, he met with the Sarpanch. He introduced him about the various advancement in the technology of cultivating and harvesting the crops. He like tractors, seedling machine, harvesters. He also introduced him about different techniques of irrigations like the drip irrigations, the sprinkler. Later they both introduced these techniques and the technology to the villagers. And this helps in the larger productions and in the boost in the production and better management. Thank you.
Good.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters. The age range is between 26 to 35 plus. Overall mood is positive. Action of my story is conducting the survey to know the village, to spread the awareness about the technology in the agriculture field. Ram, who is newly appointed to the Department of Agriculture in the Jamshedpur area, and as he was newly appointed, he conducted the survey and he saw there a villager named Sham, and he see that they are now also following the traditional method of agriculturing. So he provide the awareness about the agriculture, that what should be using and what should be what are the new technologies came in the agriculturing field, and he tell about the Pradhan Mantri Sinchai Yojana also. So from where they got the pensions to apply the new technologies in the farming, and then after 1 year he conducted the survey again, and he see the rise of production in the agriculture. Thank you.
तो आपने यहाँ तो हैंड मूवमेंट नहीं किया, बट जब लेक्चरेट बोल रहे तो काफ़ी हैंड मूवमेंट था, बट बोल अच्छा रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो रोज़ प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस करो लेक्चरेट. ठीक है, 2-3 बच्चों ने मेरे को भेजे लेक्चरेट. ठीक है, और एक दीदी ने तो वॉइस भेज दिया. बॉडी लैंग्वेज नहीं देखेंगे लेक्चरेट में तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, चलो.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived 3 characters, all male, age ranging between 22 to 50 years old, all in positive mood. Action of my story is helping in agriculture survey. Rajesh is a 22-year-old research student who is making a project on the survey, and he has to collect the data from the villages. So he decided to go to his own village, and he started the survey with taking the information about from where they bought the seeds and till the last stage where they sell their crops and how much profit they earn. When he collected the survey, he came to know about a lot of problems, which included irrigation, water problem, and also
arguments about the ownership of the land in villages. So he decided to analyze it. When he analyzed it and made a reference book, and with the permission of Panchayat, he conducted a survey, a seminar in the village, which concluded that there are various schemes of government who are letting to know people about the ownership of the land, and that is Swamitva, and there are various cards and samitis which are going on about that. Also, he told them about the solar installation in the field, which would not only help them in their field of the crops, but also in other matters. He also informed them about various crops that would not only plow and yield, but also help in crop-based products, and they could sell it in the market. This not only helped him, but also the farmers in his village. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived 3 characters, all are male and age is between 24 to 60. All are in positive mood, and action of my story is bringing advancement to old traditional farming methods. Ram, a 24-year-old college graduate, had been preparing for civil services exam and had been selected in the agriculture department. Upon his visit to his family's farm, he saw this family is employed in the old traditional farming methods like plowing the field with old cattle and all. He insisted that we should employ the new traditional methods like using tractors, employing the genetically modified seeds and high cropping methods, and also the drip irrigation. His father insisted that he is happy to implement all that and showed confidence and support that all the techniques he wants to implement, he will support it again. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture I perceive 3 characters. All are males, age bracket 25 to 56. Overall mood is positive. Action of the story, Ram gives telling about new techniques to farmers. Ram once visited to his village. After lunch he saw that farmer using old techniques for farming. He tells about the modern technology of farming, telling about the modern equipment, and telling about the policies of government which help farmers for farming. After this information, farmers got updated about the technologies, and thanks to Ram for giving this information.
इतना अच्छा बोले, धीरे-धीरे अपना डर हटा दो, ठीक है? Jai Hind, from the given picture I've perceived that there are 3 characters, all are male, age ranges between 26 to 55 years of age, overall mood is positive, and the action of my story is informing about the new loan scheme. Ramesh is a 26-year-old graduate who works in the State Bank of India as a clerk. His father, Kishan, is a farmer in a small village in Uttar Pradesh. He goes up to his village to inform his father about the new loan scheme that the bank has offered, which lends money on a very less interest as compared to the previous loan schemes. So he's very pleased to inform his father about this news, and his father is also very happy to hear the news. He applies for the loan, gets approved, and he makes a good profit from crops that year. He pays off the loan along with the loan for the bulls he bought to plow the field that year. Good.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived 3 characters, all male, age between 25 to 35, all are in positive mood. The action of my story is an industrialist and a farmer having a conversation in a field. Vikram, a 25-year-old young and dynamic industrialist wants to set up a chip factory so that he can make some profit out of it. So he then visits nearby village to see how the potato crop rate is going on. So then he meets a farmer, Naresh, and asked about the dimension of the field and asked the rate of the potato in bulk and how much the field yields potato in a year. Then he then offers him a good amount so that he can loan the land for his industrial use. Then Naresh also agrees to the agreement, and then they both strike a fabulous deal. So both of them are satisfied. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture I have perceived 3 characters, all are males, the age ranging between 32 to 45 years, and the overall mood being positive. The action of my story is increasing the crop yield using modern farming techniques. So Ram 32 is the agriculture development officer posted in the Rampur district of Madhya Pradesh. Once on the survey, he found out that the fertility as well as the crop yield has been depleting in the area. So he talked to the farmers of the area, introduced them to the HYV seeds as well as the soil-specific crops that should be sown there. He also helped them get the capital required using various government schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Vikas Yojana as well as the Kisan Credit Card scheme. and because of this the crop yield of the area significantly increased, as well as people started organic farming, which significantly increased the economic condition also.